The Middle East is one of the most dynamic regions in the construction industry. Of the world's top 10 construction projects, 6 are located in the MENA region. For example, one of the biggest projects in Saudi Arabia, Jubail 2 development alone, is investing $80 billion over the next 22 years. Much of the region's developments are in coastal areas and on reclaimed land. Construction on that terrain requires stable and reliable waterproofing on civil engineering projects and buildings as an essential element in the construction process. One of the main and latest technology waterproofing materials, PVC and TPO waterproofing membranes, are used for waterproofing systems in civil engineering projects, basements, industrial and residential roofs, tunnels, landfills, artificial lakes and lagoons, oil field storage pits and canals. At present, the industry in GCC and MENA region heavily depend on the import of polymeric membranes of PVC compound. By setting up a new state-of-the-art factory in Bahrain International Investment Park with a 2,000 metre squared office building, a 5,000 metre squared production hall equipped with a leading-edge co-extrusion line, and from 2013, in Phase 2, with a second production line and a compounding plant, Polaris is perfectly positioned to reliably supply PVC and TPO waterproofing membranes to the entire MENA region. The Khalifa Abdul Rahman Al Ghasaibi Group from Saudi Arabia is realizing the potential for locally produced waterproofing membranes of PVC and TPO compound and is the sole owner and driving force behind the new Polaris plant in the Kingdom of Bahrain. Bahrain was selected for its ideal position as a logistics hub, with a causeway link to Saudi Arabia and the new Maersk-operated Khalifa bin Salman port in 1 kilometer proximity to the Polaris plant.
Polaris International in Bahrain is the first polymeric waterproofing plant in the Middle East. We are producing single-ply membranes of high tensile strength from synthetic polymers. The main features of our production line is a simultaneously operating twin-screw extruder, A and B, which providing a constant stream simultaneously to the fabric, but also for homogeneous membranes which are spread directly in the calendar slits. The production line has a capacity of approximately 4.5 till 5 million square meter per year, calculated on a day and night shift. We employ a highly trained and very experienced extrusion line team. We are up and running as of this day.
Polaris waterproofing membranes are manufactured to the highest standards to offer customers long-term durability, chemical resistance, flexibility, plus easy and safe weldability. The state-of-the-art factory ensures that every product is designed for exact and consistent thickness, suited for each application, and the production process is monitored at every stage for quality control. All required parameters in the production process are electronically controlled to guarantee the product's compliance with the most stringent international standards in the waterproofing industry. The temperature, torque and thickness controlled melt from 2 twin-screw extruders and the calendar unit ensure an accurately processed final product in each membrane specification and design. The plant is environmentally friendly and all waste material and trim cuts are recycled. The industrial site has 0 gas emissions and a constant cooled clean air climate is maintained to ensure purity of product and improve the workplaces for the highly experienced and trained line operators. Finished membranes are coiled into customized rolls with lengths calculated for easy handling at building sites and covered in protection foil to ensure constant and clean supplies without defects. Adjacent to the plant is a purpose-built warehouse where the compounds and raw materials are stored, protected from UV rays, water and humidity, as are industrial textiles, essential for enhancing the membrane's tensile strength, stability and impact resistance.
Polaris concept rests on 3 phases. Now we installed the first extrusion line and have full production with our contracts closed. In the year 2013, we will erect the second extrusion line, also a compounding plant for direct feed of both lines, including a dry blend mixing facility.
Polaris International WLL is fortunate to have the most experienced executive management team of the waterproofing industry in the Middle East. The team's competence, experience and flexibility, coupled with their attention to total quality management, details and growth, will assure Polaris's quick ascendancy to become the outstanding for quality and most trusted single-ply waterproofing system producers in the region.